Hello, welcome. This is Purpose Creations. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a tissue holder. The items we are going to use, we have our sugar beads. I'm using pink and white. Fishing line, I'm using size 0.6 mm and my scissors. Let's get started. I'll be doing a simple design for my beginners. So we are laying the pink in the middle of the white. We'll pick one white, one pink, then you use the pink bead to do the cross thread. So at this point we are turning. So you take your one bead, one white, one pink, then another white. Then you do the cross threading. Remember I said we are weaving in a form of a pie. So this time around we are not continuing from this bead, but rather we are continuing from the second bead. You just have to slip your fishing line through the pink to the white to the third pink, then you come back. The same thing applies to this thread. It will go through the pink to the white to the second pink and to the second white. This is what we want to achieve. So you can see that the thread has shifted from the initial bead to the other bead. We want to achieve a triangular shape. This time I'm not using the pink, I'm using only white to do the build up. Then you continue as in a normal bead. It's only the turning and the continuation that you would change the threading formats. We are coming to continue. So you see that always it's not where the thread ends that we will do the build up. We move to the next bead, so don't forget that. This time around we are filling in with the pink, so you pick 2 pink, 1 white. So the pink one goes first, then the white, then you use the last pink to do the cross thread. This is the last end, so we just have to build up with 3 beads and we are done. After that, we weave the base and join the pieces together to get our tissue holder. At this point, we will pick just 3 white beads. And our triangle is neatly formed. So we will put it down and do the base. So we are going to weave 2 of this. Then we will join together, then get a tissue holder. For the base, I'm using only white. I want to build from one of the triangle, then I will join it with the other half. So with the build up, you just have to pick the triangle. You pass your thread through the white bead. You'd pick 3 white beads. What I just did was a build up of the triangle. I'm coming to join the pieces together, then I'll fold it to achieve a tissue holder. When you are joining, we already have this one bead. I'll pick one extra bead and I'll slip the thread through this bead, just the white, then one white bead to do the cross thread. That's what we are using to lock the. This is what we have. Then at this point you just pass the thread through this one, other one through this one. We are using just one bead to do the locking. At this point, I'll just slip the knot through the hole, and I'll cut the excess fishing line. See, the knot has become invisible. Just to secure my fishing line. I'm coming to fold it. This is the base of the triangle. This is the base of the triangle, so I will just repeat for the other side. This our tissue holder is ready. This is how it looks like. This is the base, then the side, and the side. You just have to fill with your folded tissue and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and continue sharing my videos. Bye.